What if I told you you could launch your own music production company even if you've never done it before?
No way.
That's exactly what I did. And in this video, I'm gonna share my step-by-step process of how I set up Time Serve Records. Whether you're a musician or a producer or just have the passion for music, this guide will give you the tools you need to start your own business.
Fuck that petty shit.
Before I started Time Serve Records, I was running my fire alarm and security company for about a decade before I started Time Serve Records. And with dealing with fire alarm and security, it's a totally different beast, a totally different market. However, I took those skills that I learned from my fire alarm business and applied that to me creating this business over here at Time Serve Records. I learned things like how to capture new leads, how to organize my business, how to hire new people, and how to set up systems and processes so when new people do come on or when new clients come in, there's a process that automates to keep them going from step 1 to step 2 to finally making a payment. So don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna break it down step by step of how I did it so that way you can do the same thing too. So if you're ready to start forming your business and take your music to the next level, then just keep on watching.
It's about time.